The Northern Escape Mountain Lodge is located on a remote 50-acre waterfront estate deep in the northern coastal mountains of British Columbia. The lodge features a 10-person hot tub, high-speed internet, a full bar, dining room, lounge, yoga space, fireplace, outdoor patio and chill zone, and 10 private rooms with their own ensuites. Our boot room with your personal lockers is the perfect place to get ready for your day in the mountains, or dry your gear at the end of the day. The Pro Shop has anything you need or may have forgotten. Our friendly staff will pamper you, from our massage therapists, soothing those sore muscles, to our team of international chefs creating après ski events not to be missed. Enjoy tapas with the camaraderie of your fellow riders at the bar after skiing, and gourmet healthy meals to get your legs ready for the next day. Our bartenders will make you the perfect drink or get you a bottle of wine from our extensive collection. Enjoy a soak in the hot tub, or maybe just kick it on the couch in the lounge and look out the giant windows over the snowy coast mountains of northern British Columbia. The lodge is the ultimate retreat at Northern Escape. You'll enjoy your lodging experience almost as much as the powder skiing, almost.